Good day and welcome to another MecadMinute with me, Rudolf van den Berg. Today we will be looking at planes, where to find them and how to use them. I will also show you some shortcuts and other tips. These tips are valid for parts and assemblies inside of SolidWorks. Let's start off with the basic plane creation. When we go to reference geometry and select plane, we can go and select the first reference, second reference, and if needed we can specify a third reference. This reference can be a point, a vertex, or a face, and we can hit OK. The first shortcut I want to show you is the control drag method. Select the existing plane, hold in your control key and drag the plane out to the desired position. We can then specify an offset and we can hit OK. Next shortcut, let's say I want to create a plane exactly in the middle of these two faces. We pre-select these faces and then go to reference geometry and select plane. Notice that SolidWorks automatically detects that these planes are parallel and it will create a midplane for you. If we want to flip the normal of this plane, I can simply right click on it and select flip normal. This lets you control the XY orientation of your sketches and also the positive Z for your extrusion. Now the last quick tip, and I'm keeping the best for last. When I select any edge on my part and hit sketch, SolidWorks will automatically create a plane and put that plane normal to that edge at the closest point. So you need to make sure that you select the line at the correct location. This is useful if you need to create a profile to sweep around an edge. And that's it. Go and try these tips out for yourself and see how SolidWorks can make you more efficient in your design work. I hope you guys enjoy this MecadMinute and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.